Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read the sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. Hey, USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this regard that I am providing. Very crucial, very important. So, I will just sign off for myself and some multitasking. So, I will read the civil justice. It is crime 1, count 1 is at fall found guilty, Antichrist faces of absolute monarchs, Islam leaders, and fake Israel leader Netanyahu removed the birthrights of 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide by enforcement of Vatican Code of Abuse Law, is deadliest Holocaust Nazism crime of Queen Elizabeth II, and crime 2, count 2, at fall found guilty, Antichrist faces of absolute monarchs, Islam leaders, and fake Israel leader Netanyahu destroyed 7.9 plus billions of civilians' consumer rights worldwide by enforcement of Vatican Code of Abuse Law, is deadliest Holocaust Nazism crime of Queen Elizabeth II, is proved by I, Vedapriya Prose. As of March 2021, absolute monarchs, Antichrist, Lucifer, Satans destroyed humanity worldwide must resign now, and Antichrist, Satan, Lucifer, absolute monarchs must pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans for Queen Elizabeth II, Francis created, for absolute monarchs created, damages to humans worldwide, and I, Vedapriya Prose, must be the Vatican leader now according to the Holy Bible guidelines of civil law. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.